Grignard of indole. Now the reaction, how to utilize all these lithium salt or sodium salt or Grignard of indole with for to create the another molecule which is beneficial for drug synthesis or alkaloid synthesis. How to do that one, we will see in one or two three reactions about that. So the more ionic sodium and potassium salts. Okay, so now what we are going to create that lithium salt will here, sodium salt is here. So the more ionic sodium and potassium salts tend to react at nitrogen atom, especially with hard electrophiles. Okay, so this is the thing. In contrast to one indolyl magnesium halide, that means Grignard of indole, are alkylated and acylated at C30 position. So see the difference when sodium or lithium salts of indole, if you will generate and if you will treat that one with electrophiles, then that electrophile is getting react at nitrogen at first position. But if we will do reaction with Grignard reagent of indole, so at that time, so instead of going alkylation or acylation at first position, at nitrogen position, it won't go at first position or nitrogen, it will go at C third position. Okay, so in that way, we can get alkylation or acylation at third position via Grignard indole. Okay, so this is the very nice availability for the synthesis of C alkylated or C acylated indoles. So lithiated indole and sodium salt of indole on treatment with alkylating agent. So you can get here N-alkylated indole, and here sulfonyl chloride. If you will treat with lithium salt of indole, sulfonyl chloride, you can get N-sulfonation about the indole. Okay, so this is the reaction of uh, uh, different C metallation or N metallation of the indole and further use of those salts. Okay, next one, the same thing, nucleophilic substitution in case of indole. Same thing I have repeated here. We have to treat this indole with Grignard or potassium hydroxide to get sodium salt or potassium salt here, and here Grignard of indole. Okay, so the same thing, alkylation in presence of Grignard reagent, we can get the alkylation at third position of the indole, and with the potassium salt of indole we can get alkylation at the nitrogen atom. Okay, so this is the main difference in between. So what types of salt you are going to use as a starting material. The same is here. The same slide is here. Okay, so we'll shift for the reaction of C metallated indoles. Actually, these reactions, they are not in your syllabus. Still, we will go through that one. It's a little bit higher level. No one will ask you this much complicated things. Protecting what protecting groups they can assist to C2 lithiation and all. How CO2 acts as a protecting groups. Okay, so it's a little bit but for your information, more information, see here I have done the halogenation at second position. See, we have seen that halogenation or any electrophilic substitution occurs at C third position in case of indole, because pyrrole ring is more nucleophilic in indole. Okay, so normal trend for electrophilic substitution in indole is C3 position, but here you can do the electrophilic substitution at C second position. Here I have shown that iodination occurs at C second position. Okay, so now what to do to achieve this iodination at the C second position? So here is the thing I have shown, that first one we have to do, we have to treat indole with n-butyl lithium strong base tetrahydrofuran minus 70 degrees centigrade, and once then carbon dioxide. Okay, so that means we have to do CO2 and lithiation, carbon dioxide and lithium group at nitrogen atom. And once we got these things, CO2 and lithium acts as a protecting group. Okay, so how to protect and what is the effect? That means why we have to incorporate CO2 at the nitrogen, because once we incorporate CO2 at nitrogen atom, what that one is helping out for the lithium which is getting attached at second position, that one is trying to stabilize this lithium by making this cyclic 5-membered ring. Okay, so that one is stabilizing by coordinate bond. Okay, so if you can see over here, there is a coordinate bond between lithium and oxygen. As electronegative difference between lithium and oxygen, a little bit, I think it's not too much, but considerable. So there is formation of coordinate bond in between this one. So only to get stabilized this lithium, we have to incorporate this carbon dioxide and lithium here, and then finally we have to treat this intermediate with iodinating agent. That means halogenating reagent. So here we have treated this thing with halogenating reagent to get halogenated at C second position. Okay, so only the thing is, if we don't use here CO2 and lithium, then definitely lithium will go at C third position, and after that, if you will do iodination, it will occur at third position. So there is no selectivity at all. To get selectively iodination at second position, we have to go for the treat indole with butyl lithium and then carbon dioxide. Okay, so in that one only you can get selectively iodination at C second position. Okay, so we'll see now the same thing, nucleophilic substitution again. Same thing, instead of carbon dioxide they have taken here SO2, okay, sulfur dioxide, and then we have treated with butyl lithium. So at second position lithiation occurs, again CO2, they have, CO2 is replacing lithium and getting COH getting attached over here. After hydrolysis we can remove the SO2 pH from nitrogen atom, and again we can generate the NH bond in indole. So here in this way, indole to indole to acetic acid. Here we have not indole to acetic acid, but at second position we can incorporate the COH group. Okay, so this thing here I have given some more different reactions. Maybe this some of them we have covered already. So substituted indole we have taken over here, 2-methyl indole we have taken on treatment with nitrating reagent. That one occurs at the fifth position, nitration, in case of substituted indole. In case of NaNO2 treatment, we can get nitroso group at third position. Nitration of 2-methyl indole, we can incorporate nitration at third position. And another, this one is a little bit complicated reagent, so don't go for this much complications. Again, some another reagents and their reactions I have shortlisted here. Okay, so same thing. See the difference in on previous slide I have taken. I have shown the reactions of C2-methyl indole, and now I am taking here free indole. Okay, so what is the difference? Free indole, if I will treat with the nitrating mixture HNO3H2SO4, you will get polymeric product. Okay, so it's not a very good idea. Another nitration occurs, HNO3 acetic anhydride, we get nitration over here. So different things, I almost saw so many things we have covered in our previous lectures. So please, only for reference, I am giving over here on these slides. Some of the references I am including here for this one, heterocytochemistry, Kaitan Mills, Julian Mills, Gilchrist, Thomas Gilchrist book, and R.K. Bansal, and some of the online resources I have taken for your further study. We'll stop here, and we have finished the indole as a heterocycle.